Click on the carrot. That will help kids fall asleep. What a sunny day it is. It's a holiday in the fairy forest. The raspberries are finally ripe, and you can enjoy them in plenty. The biggest berry lover is Benny the bear. He invites you to enjoy it with the forest animals. Let's go and have fun. Benny the bear. Benny invited his friends to the meetup. He invented an activity for them to spend time together, and everyone had fun. Let's see what is happening there.
What a delicious raspberry has grown on my meadow. Enjoy it, friends. Enjoy it, friends. Benny invites the animals to taste the raspberries.
Who do you think is going to eat the raspberries? A squirrel. Oh yes. The choice is correct. The squirrel likes berries very much. Meanwhile, someone else came to the meadow.
Yes, it is a bear cub.
It is still very small. That is his first summer. The bear cub saw the group of animals on the edge of the forest and got a little confused.
Hello, little bear, come and join us.
Hello, what are you doing there?
We are eating raspberries.
You are so big. You are so big. You are so big. I guess you need a lot of raspberries to get full.
I love raspberries. However, I eat not only berries. We bears the juicy grass, mushrooms, nuts, insects, and larvae. We also eat various roots, meat, and wild bee honey as a dessert. Would you like to taste some honey?
I want raspberries more than treat yourself and enjoy. Help the bear cub pick raspberries. Well done, you did a great job.